Have you ever worked somewhere where everyone knew something needed to change, but nothing changed? The process was outdated, the risks were obvious, the inefficiencies were painful, and yet, year after year, the organization remained unchanged. Here's the surprising truth: smart organizations resist change every single day. Not because they're broken, not because they don't care, but because resistance is actually built into how organizations work. Today, we're going to unpack why that happens and why understanding this is the first step to becoming a change leader. Organizations are designed to create stability. With stability comes predictability, which makes organizations efficient, reliable, scalable, and safe. But here's the paradox: these same systems make change difficult. Because once something works, the organization begins to protect it. And over time, success creates comfort. And comfort breeds complacency. Here's a phrase we've all heard before: if it isn't broken, don't fix it. Sounds logical, right? But here's the problem: waiting until something breaks is, by any measure, too late. Everything appears fine, right up until it suddenly isn't. This is why many organizations are shocked by the disruption. When leaders evaluate change, they subconsciously ask, what will this cost us? And the costs of change feel and actually are very real, while the rewards are more uncertain. So the brain does what brains do: it protects the known present from the uncertain future. This is why leaders choose familiar problems over unfamiliar solutions. Every organizational change affects processes, roles, metrics, culture, and identity. That's right, change takes people outside their comfort zones and asks them to see themselves differently. This makes change a challenge, not because people don't want progress, but because the system is designed for stability. Ironic, right? The more successful an organization is, the harder change becomes. But change is how success survives. So, let's recap. Resistance to change happens because organizations are built for stability. Comfort replaces urgency. Costs and risks feel immediate. Rewards feel distant, even uncertain, and success reinforces the status quo. From a leadership perspective, understanding this changes everything. Resistance becomes predictable and therefore manageable. In the next episode, we'll go deeper into the psychology of resistance and why people don't actually resist change. They resist something much more human.